the Pollution Control Board has filed a report of pre-monsoon analysis of the Mandovi water. It shows some pollution. The court has taken it on record. It is an interim report because we are continuously monitoring the waters of Mandovi River, as also other rivers in the state. Now, the court has said that the Amicus Curiae will study this matter and make proper submissions before the court. That is what has happened insofar as Mandovi River is concerned. As far as Mala Lake is concerned, there was a direction to the CCP to give sewerage connection to certain households there. They were supposed to file an affidavit. Similarly, the corporation, that is the sewage corporation, was also supposed to prepare a report and submit to the court as far as connections are concerned. They did not file it, and they have been given some time to file it. Accordingly, the matter is gone in somewhere in the month of August now.
So sir, as per report, what is the pollution level or pollution status of Mandovi River?
See, it was always at certain points, it is at the higher level. In certain areas, like for example areas near the bridge, that was at the higher level. So that is consistent. But it has not increased that way in the recent past. But there pollution is there in River Mandovi.
Consistently means pollution is there.
Consistently in the sense that in certain pockets it is there. It is not all over. As I pointed out, that near Mandovi Bridge it is really on the higher side.
So any reason is given for pollution in that area?
No, there is no. We don't know the reasons, but that will have to be studied by somebody as to what is the cause of this.